I have been with Tech Etch for 11 years. My role is production manager in Litchfield, Minnesota. My name is Kim Dvorak-Hernandez. So I was hired at Tech Etch 11 years ago as production supervisor, and probably 3 years ago I was promoted to manager, and with the manager position, I'm able to help others grow. We have hired on 2 leads. So I attended an executive leadership program in Plymouth, Massachusetts. And through that, I learned a lot more about leadership for myself, and it helped me grow others to that, a whole different capacity than what I had known previous to that. I'm most proud of my promotion. I was promoted to manager about 3 years ago for the production area here in Litchfield. And I am most proud of being asked to attend the executive leadership program out in Plymouth, Massachusetts. I worked on some initiative projects where we had to create a defect book. So when we hired new employees, we were able to train to that defect book. The piece of advice I'd give my younger self would be to don't give up. Well, first, I think our team culture is great just because we have one. The one thing I really like, or that resonates with me with our team culture, is respect. I feel like if you respect others, they respect you, it's going to create even a stronger culture. I wish people knew that it takes patience and it can be very challenging in the role that I hold. Some of the challenges could be getting others on board when it comes to culture, when it comes to changes, changing products, or others understanding that we have to stop doing what we are and shift gears due to the customer demand. So one thing that I feel others should know about Tech Etch is that we are employee owned. I feel that's a huge benefit to us for our future. For the whole company, we are able to take ownership of what it is we do daily. So the things that motivate me to come to work every day is when I'm able to get out on the floor and help others achieve anything they're struggling with. It could be getting my hands into the equipment. It could be personnel, concerns that come up. So the way I would motivate new individuals that would join Tech Etch would be just hang in there. I've seen the change in the last 11 years, and that's been phenomenal. So I can't imagine what the next 10, 20, 30 years will be.